Hello, for me right now tonight. Since I'm going to start showing I'm going to start having nature and stuff and that's like nature. So this is going to be my first one that was from nature. But today I'm showing you some eggs from my favorite shark. No, there's no sharks in them. The sharks I hatched from them, but I have 5. My favorite shark is a hornet shark. Horn, H-O-R-N shark, and so they have a poisonous, or venomous spike on their back, on their dorsal fin. And you can go, so I suggest you don't go near them. But they're not aggressive, mostly just looking around the seafloor, looking for their favorite foods, crabs and sea urchins. They're not aggressive, but they do have one of the strongest bites of all sharks. I love them, they're one of my favorites. They're adorable. Well, I think basically all sharks are adorable. And I don't know why people think great whites are scary. Great whites are adorable, right? Don't think I'm gonna fix that. Well, please like or dislike if you're able to. And I know it's weird that I say dislike, but I feel like I should know if people really like my videos or dislike them. Or if you want, please subscribe. So far, when you're watching it right now, in the future I might have some subscribers, but right now I don't. So please subscribe, and